Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fund your Interactive Brokers account in Canada. We'll cover the essential steps and methods to get your money into your brokerage account smoothly. It's important to understand your options to make the best choice for your financial situation. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you feel confident and informed every step of the way. Let's get started. Interactive Brokers Canada offers several popular ways to deposit funds. Electronic Funds Transfer, or EFT, allows you to link your bank account for easy transfers, typically taking 1 to 2 business days for funds to be available for trading. Wire transfers are excellent for substantial amounts, often clearing within 1 business day. Additionally, many Canadian banks support online bill payment, which can take 1 to 6 business days, depending on your bank. To begin, log into your Interactive Brokers account and find the Transfer and Pay section. Then select Transfer Funds and Deposit Funds. You'll choose your desired method, like EFT or wire transfer, and the currency, which is typically Canadian dollars. For EFT, you might verify your bank with small test transactions or by logging in directly. For wire transfers, you'll get specific instructions to provide to your bank. When funding your account, remember to check for any deposit limits your bank may impose, especially for EFT or online bill payments. Processing times can vary from 1 business day for wires to several days for other methods. It's crucial that the name on your bank account exactly matches your Interactive Brokers account to avoid delays. Also, be mindful of any fees your bank might charge for outgoing transfers, as Interactive Brokers generally does not charge for receiving deposits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.